Hello and welcome to the Crypto Jungle, your source for no-nonsense crypto fundamental analysis and technical analysis. If you're new to trading and wanting to learn how to crush these markets one cycle at a time, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to talk about everybody's favorite Ponzi, Stepn. The GMT token. Don't really give a shit about the fundamentals on this one. This is going to be purely a technical show. We're shorting this bitch to zero. This is just the flavor of the month. This is your typical Ponzi scheme. This requires more people to buy the dumb sneakers in order for this thing to be liquid, and we are in a textbook downtrend, textbook distribution. So let's not dwell on the intro too long, and let's just dive right into the technicals here. So taking a look at this setup right here, we can see that we have been taking the stairs up on stepping our way up the stairs, but you can see the rallies have been shortening up until the peak. So very large, powerful rally, consolidation, smaller rally, smaller consolidation, smallest rally, barely got it out of there, and then we began our downtrend, and you can see the aggressive downtrend that we've had. So that brings us to this little consolidation right here. So we can zoom in on this and let's break things down a little by little here. We're taking a pause. We're in a downtrend. We're stepping our way down the stairs to poverty, I guess. And we can start to chart this out. We're looking at this from a Wyckoff perspective. So we're looking at Wyckoff redistribution schematic number 4. Before we dive into that too much, let's go ahead and take a look at the Discord server where we keep all of this stuff. So if you are new to the Crypto Jungle, hey, come say hi. We're all in the Discord hanging out, talking Wyckoff, talking charts, sharing ideas, all that fun, jazzy stuff. So redistribution schematics, I'm sure you've heard of Wyckoff accumulation. You may have heard of Wyckoff distribution, but you may not have heard of Wyckoff reaccumulation and redistribution. So basically the difference is it's a continuation pattern. So we have a few here that we're looking at. Schematic 1 and 2 are both range-bound conditions here. Schematic 3, we're certainly not looking at schematic 3, but schematic 4 is quite interesting because what's occurring here is we have a large shakeout, and then we have our automatic rally secondary test, creating a range that's sitting on top of the shakeout. So large overcorrection to the downside, trading range that presents itself on top. And when we go ahead and take a look at stepping, along with, you know, a lot of other cryptos, we're seeing that. So we've got our large shakeout. Where's our shakeout? Boom, shakeout. We've got our automatic rally right here. Automatic rally. Nope. Nope. There we go. And we got our secondary test. Secondary test, shakeout, whatever you want to call it. Ultimately just identifying the trading range that has developed on top of the shakeout. Let's go down to some smaller time frames. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. So we can see that some volume is coming in this local range. The buyers are trying to step in, but we do have a new low. We are sitting below the area of the secondary test on top of this trading range. So if I was to think we would rally off of this level, I don't think we're going to be going too high. So I'd be looking at probably somewhere around this area, potentially at around $1.38, $1.40, probably not. But I'm looking at this move as quite weak. The fundamentals of this project are incredibly weak. This is simply just a Ponzi scheme in a bear market. Ponzi's don't last in a bear market, ladies and gentlemen. When there are no fundamental drivers for value of the project and nobody's buying, guess what happens? The rug gets pulled. So I would be looking at potentially just falling off of this level, maybe getting a bearish test underneath there and then heading back down to the level of 79 cents with the potential of, you know, trading this thing to fucking zero. There is not a lot being able to prop this project up. It's certainly losing steam as the assets grow in price and the rewards dwindle. People get disinterested. When they get disinterested, these things unwind to the downside. So I am short this position. Looking to continue holding that short. It is what it is. Let's not get any more involved than that. We can look at this from an altcoin perspective in terms of Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance has been rallying quite a bit. You can see that I've been waiting patiently for altcoin season to present itself in the form of a blow off top. We ain't fucking getting it. We got 1, 2, 3 touches of the downs of the level of 40%, and we are rallying. We are rallying outside of this level. My targets, my macro targets for Bitcoin dominance is somewhere in the area of around 60%. So I'm going to be looking somewhere up here for this rally to finalize, conclude, and this could take months, this could take years really, as the bull market ends and the bear market really starts to rear its head and we enter the capitulation zone and people really truly do give up and go into just despair. We're going to start to see the collection of minds realize the value of Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin market cap will not necessarily increase, but hold resiliency against the myriad of shitty garbage projects that are floating around the cryptocurrency market as it stands today. Your favorite projects today will not be around tomorrow, for the most part. Generalized statement, but a lot of these things are trading to zero. GMT is one of those ones trading to zero. Hey, if you enjoyed this content, please leave it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Just letting you guys know that we are offering a promotional, there's a coupon code for the Crypto Jungle. Links down below. Use the coupon code BEAR to receive 25% off any package that you choose, whether you choose the monthly, quarterly, biannual, or annual package. You will get two payments of that at 25% off. So that's a significant discount. You could, if you sign up for the yearly package, get 25% off for 2 years. So go ahead and check out the links down below. And until next time, please trade safe. It is a jungle out there. Peace.
Ooh.